Chef here. Okay, this is what the pork tenderloin looks like a couple of days later. It's been marinating and soaking up all that flavor. Oh yeah, it's gonna be really good. Check it out. Really nice. All that marinade has been soaked up. So at this point I'm going to cut it into a little bit smaller pieces, and at the same time a couple of onion slices like this. A little bit of red pepper. Like this. I've got a hot wok here, a little bit of olive oil, splash of sesame oil. Here we go. First we're going to sear the pork. Okay, pork comes out, touch more oil. You know I gotta have some garlic. Garlic goes in. Onions go in. Peppers go in. At this point, pork goes back in. I'm also adding a couple shiitake mushrooms. And a little bit of a little bit. Brandy. Orange juice. The finished pork. 2 small pieces. This shall be an appetizer. Looking good. A little bit of pink is okay. Okay, we've got some of this. A few pieces of pork. Shiitake mushroom. Some of the natural pan juices. Drizzled right over. That's it. Pork tenderloin appetizer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check it out. And hopefully you get to try make this recipe yourself. Starts with the marinade. Clean them pork tenderloins up, marinate them, and wow, this is gonna be good. I think the only thing missing is a little bit more of the natural pan juices there. Yeah. It's gonna be really, really nice. Keep cooking and have a great day. I'm going to be looking for maybe 2 pieces per serving, maybe 3 ounces per portion. Just small pieces like this. Moist marinade. Oh yeah, that's going to be good.